Hey guys, charmedwench here, and we are back again for another bath bomb demo. It is Sunday. That means only one thing. It is bath bomb day. So today we are demoing another Bubblebeez bath bomb, and this is the bubblegum Beehive. So it smells really good. I'm not going to muck about. It's been a long day. I've been at work. I need a chill. So I'm going to get this in the water. I can't wait to get in it. It smells really good. And I love the colours. That's why I chose it. I wanted something nice and pretty and that smelled good because I am absolutely knackered today. So next bit of footage that you guys are going to see. Was the demo. It's a cute little bath bomb. I love the smell. I can smell it on my hands from where I was holding it. It smells exactly like bubblegum, and it's just, I need it right now. I need to just go and soak in the bath. It looks amazing. Look, it's like a little rainbow. It's so cute. So I'm going to go try out this bath bomb, get in it and relax, and I'll come back and let you know my thoughts in a minute. I'm fresh out the bath and I feel so much more relaxed. That bath bomb was just like the perfect pick-me-up that I just needed. It's like the fun smell of bubblegum, and then the colour is like a deep dark blue lagoon. It was just perfect and just what I needed. And I can still smell it slightly on me, and I like that. And it's such a lovely bath bomb to look at. So why would I not enjoy this bath bomb? Like I said, Bubblebeez information's all going to be listed in the description bar below. I'm going to go and get my pyjamas on because I just need to completely relax now. But if you haven't seen Bubblebeez, go check her out. She's got an amazing little store and she's always adding new stuff. So yeah, I'm going to let you go. I need to go and chill, and I hope you have a great Sunday.